Google has officially released the developer preview of Android 12 for the developers. So I already installed Android 12 port on Poco X2. If you are a Poco X2 user, then the installation video is coming soon. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Magisk Manager in Android 12 using TWRP recovery. Keep in mind the given file may not work in the future, but I will update time to time. Let's roll the intro without wasting more time.
Preview.
So here is my Poco X2. First of all, let me show you the current Android version. So guys, as you can see, Android version is it's Android 12. So I'm gonna install Magisk Manager in this port. Let me show you my device is rooted or not. So guys, as you can see, currently my device is not rooted and the device name is Pixel 5. Now you have to download one file. You can download this file from the description box, and the file name is magiskdebug.zip. So to install this zip file, any custom recovery must be installed on your device. So I'm gonna boot my device into the recovery mode by pressing volume up and power key simultaneously. My device is now booted into TWRP recovery. Now I'm gonna connect OTG with my device. Now I'm gonna flash this magiskdebug.zip. So just swipe to confirm flash. Flashing is now successful, so just tap on reboot system. Guys, first boot might take a while, but don't worry, it's normal. So I'm gonna fast forward the video. My device is now booted successfully. So guys, Magisk Manager application will be appear here in few seconds. So wait. So guys, as you can see, here is the Magisk Manager. Now we have to install Magisk Manager APK. You can download this from the description link. Now open this. Opening time might take few seconds for the first time, so wait. So guys, as you can see, Magisk Manager is successfully installed on my device. So guys, by this way you can install Magisk Manager on your Android 12. Let's check my device is rooted or not. So yes, my device is not rooted. So by this way we can install Magisk Manager and root our Android 12. If you guys know any other method to install Magisk Manager or root Android 12, then do let us know in the comment section. It may help out the other user as well. So that's it with the video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.